Hello there. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Katie's Empathy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done before. I'm going to be unboxing the Divine Feminine Oracle cards by Megan Watterson. Now this deck has been calling to me for some quite time. It keeps popping up at stores and online, and every time I look at it I just feel very called to it. You know, it has women from throughout history and, you know, on the cards. And in this past year, I've really been working on myself as a woman. And, you know, I've done a lot of healing in the past, you know, for a lot of trauma, ancestral trauma that happens to run through my family, especially the women in my family. And in this past year, I've been so lucky to meet so many beautiful, strong women that I call my friends. And you know, I'm also the oldest of 10 girls. I have 9 sisters and 1 brother. So, you know, there's a lot of feminine energy in my family, and I think it's really something that I have been learning to really harness and accept and love and use in my life. So, without further ado, let's check out the Divine Feminine Oracle. I really love the box. I love the colors. It's got, you know, this dark royal red with gold, and I really love that. You know, it's just a normal tarot box, nothing really special about it. It has Mary Magdalene on the front, which is one of the cards. She's holding a yoni egg, which yoni is another term for a vagina. And, you know, you use the yoni egg to strengthen and work on your pelvic muscles. And, you know, you can use it for crystal meditations. It's really, really, really a great tool. And I think it's really awesome that, you know, the front of their deck, you know, the box includes, you know, Mary Magdalene with a yoni egg. That is just super cool and super special to me. All right. Now, the first thing that we look at, of course, is the guidebook. This guidebook is huge. Just look at this. Like, my goodness. It's got so much. Each card has about 3.5 to 4 pages, you know. So, and in each section you have, it will tell you the person, it'll show you a black and white image of the card, it'll show you what the card says, and then it gives you a little bit of history about that person. And then it tells you what it means if you select that card in your reading and what that could mean for you. And then it gives you a little meditation and an intention that you can set. Now, I think that's so amazing. You know, I was briefly a history major in college. I love studying history. I am a firm believer that, you know, the great people in our history have added to source energy. They've made a huge impact on the way things are. And it's so wonderful that, you know, we have some history included in this book so that we can really learn from these powerful spiritual women. I think that's actually my favorite part about this deck and why I really just love it so much. And you know, I don't know a lot about some of these women, so I'm so excited to learn more and even do my own research. So you know, a really thick guidebook. You can read it if you want, or you can just use the keywords on the card and use your intuition. That's up to you. But personally, I think I'm really going to dive into this book and learn as much as I can about all these women, because you know, I think it's going to really benefit me in my journey. Now, just take out this deck. Ooh, I just dropped the book. That's okay. I'll pick it up in a minute. Now, this is the back of the card. Also, another symbol for the vagina. Really, really beautiful. You know, you have the kind of egg, the vagina shape, which is super cool to me. You know, I mean, they're really not playing around with the feminine symbolism here, and that's really, really great, because I think symbolism is so important when you're unlocking energy of certain things. And I think it's really cool that that this is what the backs look like, and it's just so pretty to look at too, just very bold, you know. All right, so we will go through the cards. Now I'm just going to do a flip through. I'm going to read to you what the cards say. Please don't be too hard on me if I mess up the pronunciation. If I do, though, you know, if you feel like you want to let me know if I totally mess it up, you know, just let me know down in the comments, and, you know, I'll know for further use. Mary Magdalene, the apostle to the apostles. I am the bridge between heaven and earth. I am fully human and fully divine. Mary of Nazareth, the Mother of God, I am blessed. My courage gives birth to the divine. Joan of Arc, the warrior of light. I have a steel-like faith in myself. The angels armor me with conviction. Rita of Cassia, the patroness of impossible causes. I am miraculous. My prayers create powerful channels of possibility. Marguerite Porete, the mystic of divine love. Love is divine, and I am nothing except love. Perpetua, the saint of authenticity. I am my authentic self in all circumstances. The Black Madonna, Our Lady of the Hermits. I transform pain and suffering into a greater capacity to love. Our Lady of Gratitude, the Empress of Protection. Our Lady of Guadalupe, the Empress of Protection. And I am so grateful for these cards. I am safe and divinely protected. I am held in love at all times. Teresa of Avila, Our Lady of the Interior Life. I trust the answers I find within me. I know the presence of love is real. Pope Joan, the Pontiff of Possibilities. The possibilities are limitless because the soul is limitless. Beautiful. Thecla, the prophetess of true power. I call my power back from all times and places. I am my own. Catherine Labour, the patroness of miraculous healing. Possibly Catherine Labour, I'm not sure. I am ready to heal. I am worthy of the miracles meant for me. Rabia, the Queen of Saintly Women. I am in service of divine love. I move the way love asks me to move. Khadijah, the Mother of Believers. I am spiritually and financially abundant. I provide heaven and earth for myself. Fatima, the Mother of Imams. Love is my lineage, and gratitude is my religion. Kali, the mother of the universe. I release all that does not serve me. It's time to be the truth of who I am. Anandamaya Ma. I have no idea if that's right. The joy-permeated mother. I am my own guru. I know the self that never changes. Wow, what a beautiful card. Lakshmi, the goddess of abundance. I choose to feel abundant. Wealth is an inside job. Parvati, the goddess of devotion. I am a love that doesn't leave. When I commit to love, my soul evolves. Saraswati, the goddess of self-knowledge. The essence of who I am flows effortlessly into everything I create. Mirabai, the saint of true freedom. Love is what sets me free. I am married to my own soul. Lalita, the red goddess. Playfulness is a spiritual power. Laughter leads me back to the light. Sarada Devi, the Divine Mother. Unconditional love exists within me. The presence of love is the absence of judgment. Whoop, I dropped my bell. Maybe that means I need to call in the angels, call in the goddess energy. Akilanda, the goddess of never not broken. Everything happens for my liberation. I choose to become only more love. Wow, that's so crazy. That this is the card that I got right as I dropped the bell. So as I made a mistake, everything happens for my own liberation. Wow. Already these cards are speaking to me through the divine. Or the divine is speaking to me through the cards, should I say. Lala, the saint of spoken words. Every word I say becomes a prayer. I am the author of my own story. Beautiful. Kan Yin, the goddess of compassion. I recognize suffering in order to release it. Curiosity breeds compassion. Miao Shan, the princess of mercy. Giving is receiving. The energy of the universe is merciful. Green Terra, the Buddha of enlightened action. My soul informs my every step. I do what my heart compels me to do. Ooh, I don't know how to say this one. I'm going to give it a go. Vajrayogini. Vajrayogini. The essence of all Buddhas. I feel like she's an important one. I have the power to make each moment sacred. Everything is material for my liberation. Yeshi Sogya, Lady of the Lotus born. Embodiment is the deepest bliss. My body was made for enlightenment. Again, I apologize if I'm not saying these correctly. I will eventually learn them all the correct way. Mashig Labdrone, the diamond-hearted Dakini. I see the light in my own darkness. I face my ego, beliefs to feel free. Dakini, the enlightened feminine. My gut instinct is wise beyond reason. I trust my intuition to guide me. My Bago, the warrior saint. I am a warrior of love. My devotion attracts resources and support. Shekinah, the presence of the divine feminine. At the center of everything, there is light, and I am that light. Lilith, the first woman. I am the voice of my body and soul. I choose the life that I desire to live. Queen Esther, the morning star. My ego is in service of my soul, and I trust my soul's divine timing. Amaterasu, the goddess of light. We are all sacred mirrors reflecting back the same light. White buffalo calf woman, the prophetess of the sacred way. My heart is a compass. The path of love is true abundance. Zhao Zwenjing. I am not sure on that one again. The mystic of peace. I am peace. When my mind is clear, the way is clear. Brigid, the goddess of the eternal flame. I am eternal flame, and each day my light grows brighter. Saint Brigid, Our Lady of Exalted Light. I give endlessly because the light is without end. My soul is all I need. Isis, the goddess of magic. Sexual energy is sacred. My pleasure is a prayer that brings me back to life. Beautiful. Sekhmet, the Red Lady. I am pure strength. I honor my anger by giving voice to it. Hestia, the goddess of sanctuary. No matter where I am home. The most sacred sanctuary is found within me. Sappho, the poetess. I love every inch of my body, and I love the women in my life fiercely. Gorgeous. I love that one. Ariande, mistress of the labyrinth. My soul knows the way, and the only way out is through. Diana, Queen of the Wilderness. The language of the natural world is a frequency of love. This is my mother tongue. Yemoja, the goddess of all that flows. I am an ocean of creative energy. I give birth to what exists within me. Freya, the goddess of discernment. I spend my time wisely. I only say yes when it's a holy hell yes. Inanna, the queen of heaven and earth. I have nothing to hide. I see and accept all that I am. Enwedwana, the high priestess. I am one with my soul, and my soul is a legacy of love. Sarah La Kali, Queen of the Outsiders. I have arrived. I am where I will always be, in love. And finally, the cosmic egg, the divine feminine. I hold the universe within me. I am the force of an ever-expanding love. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Well, I hope you enjoyed going through this deck as much as I did. The Divine Feminine by Megan Watterson. I'm so excited to start using it, and I think the next thing that I'm actually going to do on my channel, I work summer school in the summertime, so I'm very busy, but I think it would be really cool just to pull a daily card from this deck and read, the pages from the book. And I know that's not, necessarily a reading, but I think it'd be really cool just to get that information out there and, do a little energy read on the card for each day. And yeah, so check out my channel. Be looking for the daily readings with the Divine Feminine Oracle deck. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. May Spirit always guide you in perfect divine timing. Have a blessed day.